Writing content in this day and age is not an easy task. Everything is littered with AI, and information and misinformation about SEO is ubiquitous. And how to navigate this sea of words can be a little bit daunting task, but not anymore, and not with Neuron Writer. Hi, my name is Nick, and in this course, I'm going to teach you everything that you need to do to use Neuron Writer effectively. And for the ones who doesn't know what Neuron Writer is, Neuron Writer is basically your main tool to write articles that will rank very high on Google and will drive as much traffic as possible to your content. Neuron Writer has amazing tools to help you create amazing titles and amazing articles, and it will give you all the information that you need to know to rank your content as high as possible. And this is just the simplest and very bare-bone explanation of this tool can actually do. Of course, it can do much more than that, and we're going to be learning everything about that in this course. And all you'll need for this course is actually having access to Neuron Writer, which is absolutely free. And no caveats here. You're gonna have everything that you need for this course in a free tier of Neuron Writer. So you don't need any expensive monthly subscriptions or even one-time purchases. Everything that you need for this course is absolutely free. So I'm not going to be wasting your time, and without further ado, let's get it started.